Mr. Get-Even Coyote, a legendary coyote, lived in the rolling plains of the vast plains. He was a guardian of the land, a balance that nature had carefully crafted. Over time, humans began to encroach, bringing traps, poisons, and guns to control the creatures that had lived there for centuries. One fateful day, Mr. Get-Even Coyote's family fell prey to their destructive ways. Mr. Get-Even Coyote, a vengeful man, lost his family to humans' destructive ways. He embarked on a journey to reclaim the land and restore balance, using his intelligence and adaptability to evade humans and hunt rodents, rabbits, and red foxes. He encountered other creatures who had suffered, such as an owl, deer, and wolves, and formed a coalition to protect the land. Coyote's methods included sneaking into humans' camps, stealing food, and destroying traps. As his legend grew, humans began to realize the consequences of their actions and adopt more humane coexistence methods. One day, as the sun set over the plains, Mr. Get-Even Coyote stood atop a hill, looking out over the land he had fought so hard to protect. The balance had been restored, and the ecosystem thrived once more. The rabbits and deer roamed freely, the birds sang their songs, and the vegetation flourished. The humans had learned to respect the land and its inhabitants, and Mr. Get-Even Coyote had found a new purpose: to ensure that the harmony between humans and nature would never be disrupted again. Mr. Get-Even Coyote, a resilient and determined guardian of the plains, embodied resilience and determination, reminding us of the importance of living in harmony with nature.